Oh, a little bit.
Yeah. It's exciting downwind.
It sure is.
How, bro?
One, two, three, four. Nope, you don't need it for this thing. The suspension does all the work. I try to stay within the fence. Hang it. Get more comfortable with it. Don't want to hit the fence line. Okay, I'll finish it this time.
Oh my goodness.
Almost.
That was beautiful.
Dude, the suspension is amazing on this plane. Right?
Dude, finally the wind is like...
Excellent, yeah. Alright guys, all you. I gotta get you on my channel too here. Go ahead, keep flying. Oh, Jesus. What? It's insane, dude. That is wicked, son. Look at that. Dude! Let's go. Keep that nose wheel up, look at that. It does help.
If you want to learn like 3D and stuff, I do have a channel myself.
Oh, I got a sub to you. I'm gonna sub to you.
Like all things 3D.